Feels a little like a coffee when you're waking up at 2. It's a silky milk chocolate on a Sunday afternoon. It's a little like a rocket on its way up to the moon. It's a lot like you. Feels a little like the cool from a springtime breeze. It's a little like the pool in the summertime heat. Kinda like a jacuzzi in the wintertime freeze. It's a dream come true. Oh baby, I love you more than you know. There's no one above you, not even close. You are my sunshine wherever I go. I'm basking in the afterglow. Baby, I need you all of the time. You make it look easy, shining so bright. You're melting my heart and you're blowing my mind. This is what love feels like.
Sa pagdiriwang ng 76, no, ito'y salamin ng mahabang taon at malusog na pangangatawan sapagkat parang hindi pa kayo 76. Parang 75 and a half lang.
Stars shining bright above you. Night's breezes seem to whisper, I love you. Birds singing in the sycamore tree. Dream a little dream of me.
I'm so blessed and grateful for having you as my nanay. Siya po ang lagi kong kasama sa layasan. Kami po,
Ako po ay masayang-masaya sapagkat ikaw po ay yung friendship ko na tinasabi kong God's gift sa akin ni Lord. Kaya naiiyak na ako.
Dream a little dream of me.
Sa ngalan po namin lahat na nandito, binabati ka po namin na isang maligayang kaarawan. Sana po ay patuloy kang maging maganda, malakas. At lagi lang ang wish lang po namin ay ingatan mo po yung iyong health. Alam mo na po yun. Nandito lang kami para sa iyo na nagmamahal. So maraming salamat dito, Lord. Happy birthday.
Just say this. Sweet dreams to Sunday.
Panalangin ay kalakasan. Spiritually at saka physically upang lalo kayong maging daan ng biyaya hindi lang sa ating community, lalo digit sa iyong lokal na community ang MSK ng Chita at nawa po ay patuloy kayong maging daan ng pagmamahal. Happy birthday po. God bless!
I'm longing to linger till dawn, dear. Just say this.
Sweet dreams till sunbeams find you.
nung first time po kasi namin na ma-meet si Tita Loy sa community, tahimik po siya at saka akala ko po'y napakasuplada niya kasi hindi siya palabati, hindi siya humingiti. Pero siya po ay napakapilya pala at siya po ay napakadaling mahalin pala.
Alam mo si Tita Lloyd, napakabait na tao. Siya ay, tama si Tita Mayot, madaling mahalin. No dull moment. Lagi kang nakatawa. Yung pang unexpected moments ay meron siyang pasabog na ikay magkakang iihi pagtawa.